These handsome little nuggets are going to the lake today. They don't know it yet. Well, maybe they do actually. Hi. All right, we are driving to the lake. Hello. The lake looks so pretty today.
Wait until your $900 a month Can-Am breaks down.
Oh. Are you happy? Are you happy? You good boy. Hi, Toby. Oh, you're so cute. Hello. She's so peaceful.
Go play.
Woo!
Go play. Go play.
Hi, Toby. Tucker, did you jump back in the water when you were getting dry? That's so cute. Are you coach, little one? Alright, I'm back from the lake and it was so crazy windy. I'm talking people's camps were blowing away. Oh my gosh, it was crazy. So we ended up having to duck out early, but I couldn't film a whole lot because it was a total just dirt storm. I was like, there's sand everywhere. And I picked up just a little bit of trash, like some plastic and stuff, and caught lots of trash that was blowing into the lake. And asked these two little girls to help me grab some because they were swimming and I wasn't. It was pretty funny because Leopold would not come with us today. I brought the 3 dogs over to my friend's house, and he had his 5 dogs. And yeah, Leopold just wasn't doing it. He kept bolting into his house and then up his stairs and outside and any direction other than the car, and he would not come outside, like, at all, and he kind of looked scared, so we just left him there on the couch, and I think he was probably really happy. And I got pumpkin pie soda. Thank you, Zeb. I've been saving this for a special occasion, and that occasion is just right now. Alright, so I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye!